This is how you can turn any image aspect ratio to your desired aspect ratio using AI. And it is easy and simple. First, go to this website called Flexclip. And the first website you see here, click on it and it's going to open up. When it opens up, you're going to see this particular interface. From here, come to the left hand side and click on AI tools. Here you're going to see different AI tools that you can use. Now scroll down until you see this particular AI tool called AI image extender. Click on that and then you are going to come to this particular place. Here you need to upload the image you want to convert. I'm going to click on that to select an image I want to convert. For example, I select this image and then I click on open. Now that image has been uploaded. Now you need to come down here and select the aspect ratio you want to convert this image to. For this particular image, let's go with 16:9 aspect ratio so that you know the real effect of this particular tool. Now select the aspect ratio and come down here. This is where you select the image count. Click on here and you have available option 2 images, 3 images, 4 images. Now I'm going to just go with 2 images for now. Then come down here and click on generate. And this website is going to start generating your images. And just like that, your image has been converted. Take a look at this image and take a look at the original image. So this is our first image. Then this is the second image. Anyone you like, you can simply go ahead and click on this download option to download your image.